Hey everybody, this is your host Mark from Blades and More, and what we have here is 8 different Ganzo Firebird knives that I'm going to try to do a little comparison analysis on. Ganzo is a Chinese brand, and they make a variety of different models, and I have 4 of their G-Lock, or similar to the Access Lock models on the right, and then I have a back lock model here on the lower left. In the left 3 are the FH11, the FH21, and the FH31 that are all larger size Ganzo knives, in that they come in 8 or over inches with a 3.5 inch type of approximate blade lengths. These FH models all have D2 blade material, and the F11 here is the one that Ganzo started out with, I think, to really gain some popularity. It's a really nice liner lock model. It opens and closes with a flipper very nicely. It's just a cool knife. This knife has gotten a lot of notoriety, and then they came out with this FH21 that has bearings, ball bearings, and it's a really slick piece. I love this FH21, also with the D2 blade material. It's a larger knife, just a really cool piece. Highly recommend that one. And then later they came out with this larger FH31, also with roller bearings, D2 blade material. This is a really cool piece, kind of almost a Cleaver type Tonto cut, larger blade on it. It's a little larger Ganzo, has some meat to it. It's a great blade. I love this knife. And then on the left here, we have one of Ganzo's smaller models. It is the F759M. That's just a nice little blade hole opening, back lock knife that comes in at an inexpensive price point, around $15. Just a great little piece. Kind of a Spyderco type design. I love this little piece. It's very solid, nice knife. It is the F759M. Let's go right on to the right of that to this F753M Access Lock model knife. It's a really cool little piece. It has 440C blade material. Comes in around 7 inches overall length, with a blade length of approximately 3 inches. A handle length of about 4 inches. Just a great little piece. I love this little thing. And then on to one of their, again, little larger models. It is the FB760. With the Access Lock, and again it has a 440C blade material. But this is a great knife too. I have really enjoyed this knife and would give it high recommendations. Opens and closes very nice. Comes in around the somewhere around $20 price point. And then we go up next here to the Ganzo Firebird F755 Cleaver type Sheepsfoot design blade. This is a really cool G-Lock, Access Lock model that again has the 440C blade material. It's a great little piece. It is the F755. Then we'll move on So one of their larger models with a blade hole opening. It is the F729. This is a great larger blade hole opening access lock G-lock knife. That's it's just a really cool piece. I like this one. I like all of the Ganzels. I mean, all of these, at least that I have on the table. This 729 has a 440C blade material. The on the 729 comes in around the $25 to $28 price range. That's a carbon fiber handle model. These FH11, the FH21 and 31 come in, they're a little more pricey in the Ganzel price range in that they come in around the $25 to $30 price range. Maybe a little more than that. But they're all nice budget knives that I would highly recommend for a higher quality budget price. So there we go, everybody. Let me go over them once again. It is the Ganzo Firebird FH11, the FH21, the FH31, the F759M, and what we have here is the F753M, and this one is the FB760. The Cleaver is the F755, and the larger blade hole model is the F729. And that's a carbon fiber handle model, 440 steel, 440C steel. Great. They're all great knives. I would highly recommend them. Okay, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it. Okay, bye now.